In this video I'm going to show you how to change a set of front wiper blades. This is a Suzuki Jimny, but the same principles can be applied for most other vehicles.
If you're getting streaks across the windscreen like this, or the wipers look like this, then it's time to change your wiper blades.
The first thing to do is lift up the wiper blade like this. These are spring loaded, so they'll stay where they are. Do the same with the other one, so it's there ready.
On this particular fitment, you need to take a flat bladed screwdriver and just pop open the tab by there, where it says open, like so. Just pop the tab down a little bit so you can clear the wiper over it. Then pull down on the wiper, like so. Twist, down, and out. If the fitment is like the ones that we're refitting on this one, then there's a little tab by here. You pull out all the way and then just slide down and out. You don't need a screwdriver. As you can see, I've gone for the Tricoat Exact Fit wiper blades. I've always found them to be really reliable, they last really well, and they always fit exactly as they should, hence the name. For the Suzuki Jimny, I've gone for the EF 400, 400mm or 16 inches, and the EF 450, 450mm or 18 inches. These are only $5.99 each, which is another reason why I go for Tricoat Exact Fit. Something I would recommend doing before you actually fit the wiper blade and try to use it is measure it up against the old one, just to make sure it's the same size. So when you're refitting the new wiper blades, the clip is slightly different to the old ones. You've got to make sure that is facing down like that, so as you push it onto the wiper like so, that clip there goes on that side there like that, and then you just slot that over and then up. That's clipped in, and then that again, that's not going anywhere. If your new wiper blades have got the same fitment as the ones that we've just taken off like that, put the clip in that position there, then slide that over there like so, and back up, and then just clip that back on there, and that isn't going anywhere. This is the fitment on a Mark IV Golf. So what we've got is a tab there that you pull back as opposed to push out. Pull it back, pull down on the whole thing, pull it out, and then that should come free. And then to get that back in, or to replace it with a new one, slot that over there. Make sure you can get that bit of plastic in there, and then slot it right up. Then bring it back down, and it'll clip into place. There we are. The wiper blade clips can come in all different shapes and sizes and mechanisms. Fundamentally, they're basically the same. You've got a little tab on there. You've got a little tab on there that you pull that will enable it to release from the arm. Same with that one. You've got a little tab that will release it from the arm. Maybe the arm on that one will be a bit more complicated. These ones haven't got a tab on, so if you can't find a tab when you're trying to undo the one that you're replacing, then just give it a sharp pull and it should come off of the arm. Same with those and that one. This one, as I remember, actually slotted over a straight arm, so it just clipped over the arm like that. Again, there's a clip there to stop it coming off, but if you've got that sort of design, then you just unclip that and it should slide off the arm.
Finally, drop the wipers back onto the window like so. Be careful. Then test the wipers. Make sure you squirt them first. You don't want to run them dry and break them again. Like so. Watch them get it in your eyes. And there we go. Job's a good one. No more streaky windscreen, no more broken wiper blades. If you've liked the video or you found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them in the boxes below, and don't forget to subscribe.